And now we are all here today to open this brilliant new Uyghur Cultural Center here in Beijing, China. And now, without much further ado, I would like to introduce our keynote speaker, the mother leader and mother of China. I would like to invite you to give your speech.
My children, today we are not gathered to celebrate my accomplishments, no matter how great they may be. We are here to celebrate the opening of the Uyghur Cultural Museum. This museum is the symbol of cultural diversity in this great state. We have fought long and hard to be recognized, and now the moment is upon us. I would like to thank my 19 children who inspire me every day. I would also like to thank